welcome my people. This is your boy BM Africa in the house. Yo man. You are here. Just look at the Olerai how it's look like, man. Let me show you guys. You see there? Wow. Hello. This is your boy BM Africa in the house. Yummy. Let me show you a lot of here in the village. Yummy, more coming, man. A lot of videos coming, man. Just look at it, man. Yeah, you guys are watching me there. Yummy. Yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's the only way you can support a typical village boy in here in the village. Wow. You see? Have you ever seen this before? Yummy. You are just here. Wow. People say that you are not blessed. We are blessed. Look at it. You see over there? See over there? Here? We have a bird nest there. Just look at it. Wow. We have a bird nest there. So let's go. We're going home. We are from the market and we are just moving. We are going home right now. And wow. Anyway, this all of yummy. Just see. You see? See there? Wow, a lot. You see a lot of things there. There's more happening, you know. In the bush, can you hear the sound of the birds? Wow. We're just going. We're going home. Yes, wow, just look at it, man. Wow. We're going home. Look at this, how everything is, man. Shows it disturbing me. So we are going the other side. There's no road this side, you know. Let's go this way. Yummy. So you have to get it down. Plus the other side, because here it's not good, man. Yummy. See there? Wow. Let's go. Sure. This is everything look like, man. Like I told you, this is a medicine, you know. This aloe vera is also a medicine. You can use it when you got like a problem with you have been cut by a knife or something else. You can use this one, and also if you have malaria, you can use it too. Yeah. They are growing big, you see, because nobody interfere with them, with aloe vera plant, you know. the birds all over. Wow, let me show you this one. This one is very beautiful, man. Let me show you guys. Wow, you see this one? Look at this, man. Super nice. Just look at it. Wow, wow, super nice, man. So you have to close it. And then, yeah, I mean, wow. So there. It's aloe vera. Wow. Yes, we're still going home. Just here with my brother. Hey, man! Happy. And this is your boy BM Africa. Yeah, yeah. Many people have been telling me why I'm not posting the videos, and you have a nice place like this, you know. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, you know. And that's the only way you can support a typical village boy. You see, we don't have a lot of jobs here, you know. It's just showing you around, you know. Yeah, me. Yeah, imagine we walk a lot of kilometers to find the market day, and the market day is just once a week. If you miss it, well and good. You wait for another week so that you can buy things you want to use it in the village, you know. Yeah. So this is how everything look like. Do you see there the vehicle? See the tourist vehicle there? Wow. Yeah, from Masai Mara, they are going back, I think, to Nairobi. That's the tourist vehicles. There are so many things that you have to know when you are here in the bush. First of all, if you miss the vehicle that is going to Narok town, you'll never find again. You have to wait until the next day, you know. So you pay earlier and you wake up early in the morning so that the vehicle can come and pick you in the road. If you fear the animals at night, maybe if you fear the animals at night, and maybe you want to oh, something hitting me here. You want to travel maybe Nairobi or Narok, Kenya, so you have to wait until the day for the market, the day like this one, market day. So that's the only day that many people can travel. We have a lot of motorbikes, we have a lot of cars, a lot of lorries, the trucks, I mean. So that's the right time to get the cars going back to Nairobi, the city of Kenya, or Narok town, you know. Yeah, yeah, man. This lifestyle, you know, this is a bush lifestyle. So we have been walking around, so we take around 2 kilometers and coming to the market, and 2 kilometers again going back home. This is how everything look like, man. Just look at it, man. So this is how everything look like. So you are going back home from the market. Yummy. See, wow, the wind, super nice. Yeah, yummy. You see this only right now. This tree is growing faster, faster. You know, too fast. Wow, you see another? You see there? Another tourist vehicle.